A teacher. Is it someone who is just a bystander in a life story? Or someone who has impacted our lives the most? Throughout our lives, we have had the privilege to learn and grow under the guidance of teachers. A teacher is the one who acts as a shining light amidst the darkness, the one who gives us courage to get back up when we fall down, the one who guides us on the path of righteousness and overall shapes us to become better human beings. So, on this Teachers' Day, let's appreciate these heroes and give them all the love and respect they deserve.
Hello. Today, I'd like to thank you all for putting those extra efforts in helping us grow, for supporting and believing in us. Thank you.
The teachers at VCT? Oh yeah, they've taught us a lot. They taught us the fine art of negotiation, super useful when negotiating assignments and asking for attendance when participating in all the extracurricular activities. They taught us how to handle pressure in life, the skill which was very finely developed particularly during end of semester submissions and vivas. And obviously they taught us all the academic stuff as well. You know, the stuff you need to perform well in your exams. So on the occasion of this Teachers' Day, I'd like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff of VCET. Thanks a lot for all that you've given us. You've truly shaped us well, both for the 75% of the time that we spent in the classroom as well as the 100% time that we spent outside it. Thank you.
Coming into engineering, I was full of energy, just like a kite wanting to fly high and higher. And as soon as I entered Vidyavardhini, I found you teachers who are there willing to stand down and hold me with the string and guide me through the winds, guiding me to fly higher and at the same time making sure that I don't crash. All these 4 years, your support had made me a better engineer and a better person as I am today.
Hi teachers, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. I only remember the college days and how we used to do so much masti in class and ask you so many doubts, and you used to be so kind and patient and loving, and I used to wonder how can a person have so many qualities in them, but I've seen that in each and every one of you teachers, and it's unbelievable, and you are just amazing and beautiful souls.
I still remember walking the gates of Vidyavardhini's college in 2016, where I entered as someone having absolutely zero skills, and today in 2020 when I pass out of the college, I'm someone who has got multiple job offers, and the testimonial is to the fact that the teachers who cared for me enough to make me not only employable but also capable. Very happy Teachers' Day to each and everyone who contributed towards my success, not only professionally but also emotionally. Thank you so much.
My dear teachers, hope you are doing well and are safe. I don't know what to say, but I am really thankful to each and every one of you for making me what I am today. It wouldn't have been without you all.
So when I joined this college, I did not know that I will get so many opportunities from this college, and I did not know that the teachers would be so supportive of me. I am not a very ideal student, so yeah, they have supported me so much and they have gotten my back, and the kind of knowledge they provide us, it is really helpful for us, and the kind of opportunities they have provided me, I am really thankful for this.
On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I am definitely remembering my college a lot and all the teachers and what I am today. After leaving college, I think I would like to attribute all that success to the college and the teachers and the professors. I had a fantastic time, and I think without their support and help and whatever they did for us, it wouldn't have been possible.
It has been 4 years since I have been part of this institution. Feels like yesterday though. I remember when I started with my engineering, I was a shy and a quiet sort of a student. But these 4 years have changed a lot for me, making me more confident as a person. Credits to all my teachers for providing me with numerous opportunities and helping in my all-round development. It has been a really wonderful journey, and I have learned various lessons which I will never forget in my entire life. I am thankful for all those many lessons and for inspiring young students like me to grow and prosper.
It gives me an immense pleasure to talk about the personality who have shaped thousands and billions of lives. Yes, you guessed it correct. I am talking about the teachers. And on the occasion of a Teachers' Day, I would like to thank each and every professor for helping me and kick-starting my career. Especially from the INFT depth, that is the Information Technology depth, because they have really provided me a lots of challenges throughout the 4 years of engineering and helping me to try my best and reach at the heights where I am today.
4 years back, I was just a normal student who was having very limited skill set. But later, when I started my engineering life, this college not only gave me the right platform to perform all my activities, but also taught me how to balance the academics with all the extracurricular activities. A very big thank you to all the teachers out there to not only teach me the school lessons, but also the life lessons along with it.
My stint with VSET has been one of the most profound experiences, and I would ever be grateful to all the faculty members out there for encouraging and supporting me into learning both inside the classroom and outside of it too.
Easily approachable and highly supportive. The teaching and non-teaching staff of Civil Department themselves are an inspiration to look up to, especially in difficult situations like these. From conducting webinars to preparing PPTs for online lectures, each thing reflects the time and energy put in by them just for us. Earlier, they made classrooms feel like home, and now, with a smooth transition, they have turned our home into a classroom. They really are guiding us in constructing a strong foundation for our future.
Happy Teachers' Day.
A happy Teachers' Day.
And happy Teachers' Day!
Here's wishing you a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the professors and
Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
It is because of you, dear teachers, that we have the skills required to grow in today's world.
Time spent with you all will always be memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Happy Teachers' Day.